All right, good morning, everybody. Today is Friday, October 31st. We have about a minute till market open. The intraday market open entry will be for a buy. Um, will be for a buy. And let's see. There's also some SAR entries here. 5. Okay, so market opens in. All right, so market is now open. Let's see. We also have some SAR and EMA, potential SAR and EMA entries here. So let's see how this will go. For our scalp entries, you can see they've already fired up, but we'll take a look at those. Let's see what we have for today. Let's see. So this one here is for a buy, the intraday entry. And this is the bigger one. So let's see if we can push to TP today. So for the scalps, I'm in this buy right here. I'm still running for this one. I'm still in this trade, the market open scalp, and it actually just hit TP. I think I got a better entry that survived this push down. And for for the impulse market open entry, this one ended up being stopped out. Same thing as the crosses entry here. Let's see. Same thing as the crosses entry here. So 3R win, -1, so positive 1R win so far for the scalps. And then the intraday, of course, is running as well. For the SAR and EMA rejection scalps, I really don't see much. So, and again for the impulse entry, for this impulse entry, I'm waiting for one more entry for the day. And then, as I said yesterday, I think one thing we'll do going forward is to take each of these crosses entry when they do come up. But I'll have to automate an account to do that. But we'll see. All right. So this market open still pushing in and around break even. So hopefully we can get that push to the upside. I'm waiting for one more impulse entry here because for the impulse entry strategy, I normally take normally take two entries. So a 9:30 entry and the entry that comes up after 9:30. And again, since I've automated most of these strategies, going forward, the live trading session will be only for the first 30 minutes of market open. Because at this point, I've automated pretty much all these entries here. And we'll just have to pick one of these entries to be our quote unquote official setup to follow. And I think we'll pick the crosses. The crosses is pretty profitable, but it just doesn't like a lot of consolidation in the markets. So that's one issue with it. And pretty much all of these scalping strategies, they don't like a lot of consolidation in the market. All right, so we're coming up to this 30-minute SAR, which also lines up. Actually, which one is, yeah, the 30-minute one. So if price gets here, I will be looking to take a buy, manual buy. So of course, the first one is the 1:2 risk to reward. And the other one, which is what we use for official trades, is the one with a 1:1 risk to reward. We also have bullish structure pretty much where we are right now. So there goes. And then now waiting for the crossover, which is a green X. So if we get a green X, that's the one we take the trade for the 1:1 risk to reward. All right. So there it is. So let's see if we'll push for this one. So this strategy has been pretty much on and off this week for this EMA and SAR rejection scalps, but we'll see if we are able to push through with this one. There you go, full TP on that one. There goes that nice push. So that's the first, this is October. So actually I filled out the wrong day. So yesterday we had a loss, but today we have a win of 0.75. So that goes, we, since Tuesday, like all of this, SAR and EMA rejection scalps were losers, but at least for today, we have gotten a winning setup. Mm. And also, this one, I'm currently in this impulse entry here. Again, it's automated, so we'll see if how this one ends up going. Um, the intraday market open ended up losing today, but anytime, so since I have the markups open, the order blocks and all, so you can see, and I normally say this, if the intraday entry, market open entry, ends up being taken out by the first or second 15-minute candle after market open, and it bounces off of an order block, it also shows like a possible reversal back to the upside. So we'll kind of view this. But for me, for this particular market open, I only take one trade a day. But I've noticed, like, for example, if the market open gets taken out and it bounces off of an order block, depending on the direction you're trading, And it closes with a heavy rejection, you normally expect push back to the intended direction. So we'll see if this ends up panning out for today. Mm. Oh, for this one, the entry was 47,538. So that's that trade we took. That's a winner. Then we'll see. So typically for this one, like one way to do it is to re-enter such a trade, but I really do not do that because again, for me, I'm only looking to take one trade per day per account for like this accounts that I've automated, but we'll kind of see if this ends up playing out here. Right. I hate when this happens. Just got tapped out at stop loss and then price now keeps shooting up. One of the most annoying things. So today for the market open scalps, 3R win, and minus 3R loss. So break even across all of this, and then uh this one ended up losing. Again, just tapped out stop loss, and then price reverses back up. And then this is the intraday market open. And then, of course, for the SAR rejection scalp that we took, the 1:2 risk to reward hit TP, and then the structure change, which is the 1:1 risk to reward as well, ended up hitting take profit. All right, so let's see. So it's 3 minutes till 10. So again, these live sessions will be shorter, will be like 30, the first 30 minutes of market open, primarily because I've automated most of these entries. So there's really no reason for me to hang around so much. And also it's Friday. So that should be it for the trading day. And I will see you guys next week. All right, guys, have a good weekend.